Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for the headphones Sony Link Buds. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on your headphones. If it didn't connecting, just remove your headphones from the charging case and it should connecting. If it didn't help you, just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again, remove your headphones from there and it should also help you. But if it doesn't, we should remove the headphones and add it again. So just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. After that, open the case, press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now click on your device. If it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold connectional button for at least 15 seconds, until you can see that LED light start flashing orange. If it didn't work, like in my, just close the case, open it again, and now press and hold connectional button. Now we can see orange flashing, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget device, forget device. Now open the case and press and hold connectional button to enter pairing mode. Now click on your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!